Hello friends, myself Josna Sarode. I am pursuing my MBA from SAS Institute of Management and Studies. Today my topic is employee theft for subject organization behavior. Employee theft is defined as any stealing, use or misuse of an employer's asset without permission. Uh, Money. The most common asset stolen from employer time occurs when an employee is paid for time that did not work. This usually happens through falsifying timekeeping records or when employees are not working while on the job. Some employees are job time is a pass out, only pass out, not working, and then hours what his duty, her duty. Supplies. Common example of thefts of supplies include office supplies, paper, pen, computer, and restaurant supply, food, condiment, silverware, etc. Merchandise company property, theft of products that are to be sold. Information, stealing product design and trade secrets. To prevent employees theft in my company, calculating your inventory reduction rate, find out the book value of your inventory. This is the value of your inventory according to your balance sheet. Typically, this will be calculated at the end of each month or perhaps each quarter, and is the difference between your previous inventory totals and the quantity of your goods sold. For example, if you previously had rupees 30,000 in inventory but you bought rupees 2,000 and sold rupees 10,000 of inventory, then your balance sheet should indicate that your inventory worth rupees is 22. Then calculate the actual value of your inventory. Do you do a physical check of your inventory in stock and log the quantity on the shelf and calculate the value by multiplying the inventory quantities by the purchase cost. Using these two values, you can calculate your inventory shrinkage rate with the formula: book value of inventory minus actual value of inventory divided by book value of inventory into 100%. If you find your shrink rate is a disproportionately higher than you should be concerned. The need for effective inventory shrinkage prevention. Addressing external factor. 37% of inventory shrinkage is caused by external factor. Invest in survivally. Invest in security cameras and place them around your stock location. In addition, put up warning signs of theft around your stock. By monitoring your inventory carefully, you can spot any suspicious behavior and take action when necessary. Cameras and warning signs serves as a deterrent for thieves who do not want to risk the chances of getting caught. Implement security measures. Fence off or secure your inventory locations or warehouse using other means to prevent unwanted entries. Also, implementing a strict security protocol to control access to the warehouse will help prevent unwanted entry. Therefore, it pays off to invest more in warehouse security to prevent your company from suffering a massive loss from robberies. Prevent fake promotion codes. Giving promotion is an excellent way to drive up sales of your products. However, scammers often take advantage of this promotion with an increased supplies of online discount stores. Many scammers circulate fake manufacturer coupons online. Your business could be forced to absorb the loss of these reimbursements, which would likely have a devastating effect on your margins. Always ensure that your employees are kept up to date with the online promotions your store is running and the last coupon scams. reduce temptation. To prevent and premise theft, the higher value items should be stored in secure areas that require a store employee's authorization to access them. Combating internal factor, 30% of inventory shrinkage. Sales fraud can take on many forms: forgiving excess discount and pocketing the difference to falsifying vendor bills. An employee deliberately inflates the quantity of the goods sold with an intention to steal the excess inventory, creating fake customer accounts where products are sold to an undisclosed locations for the employee to sell on their own while the bill are set to do due for collection but are never collected. The setting up of a fake vendor's accounts to pay for bills or product that will never reach your warehouse while the employee pockets the money, creating a vendor kickback schemes where your company overpays a vendor for inventory goods only to have the insider in your company get a cut of the overpayment as an incentive for counting the scam. There are several ways to combat this issue. First, build up responsibility for important tasks in your business workflow. That way, any key process must pass through a few individuals. Secondly, you can set internal controls in place where only a select group of people can create or view certain transactions. Thirdly, ensure that you conduct spontaneous and regular audits to inspect your internal business operations. Stop shipping fraud activities. Fulfillment can often be a difficult place to detect scams due to the hectic activity of a warehouse shipping and receiving items. To avoid fraud, check your shipping slips and shipments carefully for products that claim to be defective. Also, it is a good to keep a record of these inspections reports or to analyze any strange pattern or trends that are worth digging further. Implement an inventory tracking system. Having an inventory tracking system allows you to be aware of all your inventory at all times, from your raw materials to the final sales process. It is vital for you to know where your inventory is at all time. By keeping track where each stock is, you can examine if your goods are genuinely missing or due to some other reasons. You can track your stock on an individual or a lot tracking level depending on your business requirement, eliminating administrative and paperwork error. 21% of inventory shrinkage. Investment is an inventory management software. Using software of automating and manage your inventory can help to eliminate administration error. Firstly, you will have an organized workflow which you can easily monitor and maintain your inventory movements accurately. By restricting employees' access to specified functions, only you can prevent fraudulently activity by having control of your whole operation. Secondly, managing your inventory with the centralized system is easier compared to rotating between all your different accounting, shipping, and manual spreadsheets. Doing so will reduce the chances of duplicate and wrong error dramatically. Thank you.